you do from here? Mount your camera on a tripod, okay? Use landscape mode. After that, you walk in, then come and knock. Then you wait for some time, then you turn and leap through the wall. Just walk as if you are entering into something imaginary, okay? Then after that, you can now walk out, okay? After that, just walk out, okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Import your video to workspace. Click on your video, look for volume, okay? Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on that good. Then you mark out an empty background. Later you will see the reason we are marking it out. Click on it, make a split, okay? Then you adjust, look at this place. Come back, this place now. From this place, click on the video, make a split again. You delete the center part, we don't need it again. Then at this point, you swap the video, hold onto that first one, swap it, okay? So at this point, immediately you knock on the wall, your hand comes down, click on overlay, add overlay, then you import your wall crack sign, okay? So at this point, you gotta look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it down, mark on that good and go back. Then you adjust the video so that you will see the line. Look at it, the green has not fully gone out. You can look for adjust. Click on adjust, guys. Click on adjust, HSL, go and locate it. Click on it, click on that green. The center part, reduce it to 0. You mark on that good and go back. Then you click on the sign, then turn it, okay? As you are turning it, you are expounding it. You want to put it on the position where it's going to be. Look at this position after placing it at the position now, okay? Take time to do your own so that it will look okay, okay? Then after placing it now, then you make a screenshot, yes. Then you crop your screenshot, okay? After cropping it, you click on done. Click on done now. Save to photos. Then you click on overlay, photos. Import the photo you just cropped, okay? Import it to workspace again. Then click it and make it to fit the screen. Hold it and go and take it to the end of the green screen, okay? After that, now you come back, go and look for remove BG. Look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, custom removal. This click on brush. Then you start brushing it. Look at what I'm going to be doing now. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? If you have found value in this video, why not give us thumbs up? You are welcome to the tutorial. So at this point, you come down and you are marking your own. When you get to that crack sign, okay, you have to take it gradually so that it will not eat into the crack sign, so that the crack sign will not be affected. Look at what I'm going to be doing now. You want to see me, I'm taking it gradually. So when you get to this place as well, do your own the same, so that you will not eat into the crack sign, so that it will not affect the crack sign. Just do it gradually. Look at what I am doing, okay? Come down to do your own. After doing it now, then just come down. Look at what I am doing. Follow the same pattern. Don't rush. You don't need to rush here. You need to do it gradually until you finish marking it, okay? After marking it now, you want to leave it to remove completely, okay? After marking it, you allow it to remove completely. you will see the green sign showing that it has removed completely. Okay, so you just calm down. After you have finished marking it, just leave it now. Let's just see. I think I've finished marking mine. So the next thing now is to leave it. Look at the green there. He has finished removing. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point now, let's just see what we have done. Okay, let's see what we have done. Let's just see. Calm down. Let's see what we have done. This is good. So mark on that first layer. Okay, mark on that first layer, the first layer. You make a split. Mark on it, make a split. Delete this part. Come and click on the green screen. Okay, then you want to do a duplicate. Okay, mark on the green screen, do a duplicate it now. Okay, then you click on this one and drag it to the point of the empty background. Leave it there. Click on this one and drag it back. Okay, at this point we are going to be playing the video to see what we have got. Okay, but before then, click on the green screen, go and look for volume, reduce it to 0. Click on the other one too. Click on this one, click on volume, reduce it to 0. So at this point, let us see what we have got. Okay, so at the cost of playing the video, if there is any amendment, if there are errors to correct, you can now correct your errors. So calm down and watch the video, check if there are amendments. But if there is no amendment, at this point what will be remaining in this video is to add your sound effect, your light effect, your color, as the case may be. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add them, I want you to put me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I will put you through on how to add those things. After adding them, now what will be remaining is to export this your video. Okay, so what we are going to be doing now is to export this video. Click on export now. Click on export, then you export your video to your gallery. At this point, the video is saved in your gallery. Okay, you can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and locate your notification bell. Go and locate it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, thank you. Stay safe.